In this video, let me take you to the Multiverse, which is a captivating land art installation located near Sanquhar, Scotland. Enjoy the moment. I'm sure you will enjoy the journey to the Multiverse. On one side of the road is a large mountainous grazing field, and on the other side is the surrounding scenery and the beautiful river Nith flowing alongside the road. The Multiverse is a fascinating 55-acre artland located in Sanquhar, Dumfries and Galloway, Scotland. Designed by the renowned architect and designer Charles Jencks, this mesmerizing installation was created on the site of a former open-cast coal mine. The Multiverse consists of a series of interconnected paths that lead to various landforms representing cosmic elements. These landforms symbolize stars, galaxies, comets, and more. It's an artistic exploration of the idea that our universe is just one of many, a concept that sparks controversy in contemporary cosmology. Imagine walking amidst these celestial-inspired sculptures, contemplating the vastness of existence. Whether you're interested in cosmology, science, or simply want to enjoy the beautiful landscape, Crawick Multiverse is the perfect destination for you. You can explore the site at your own pace, take in the breathtaking views, and even bring along your family members or furry friends. If you visit this part of the UK, don't forget to pay a visit to this Multiverse. Even you can plan a day picnic with friends and family. The place offers a lot. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.